Good morning. This is a follow-up video to packing my journaling traveling kit. I'm just going to sort of talk you through some of the things that I like about this and some of the things that I don't. This is meant for cables. It's a cable organizer. If you search on like Amazon or something like that for a cable organizer, something will come up. I will try to find the link to the actual one of these. If I can't, then I'll put some similar things, but this is basically designed for a iPad mini, so that an iPad mini can fit inside this as well. So the things that I like about this is it stands up on its side. I was carrying it around quite a lot like this, and it fits very comfortably like this. So if I want to go and do some journaling somewhere away from everyone, because one of the hotels I had to go and down and find a desk somewhere else. So it was very useful grabbing everything. It's all in one place, just picking it up and going. The other thing that I really liked was having this on the plane. It fit very nicely in the front pocket. Let's say I needed a pen, I was able just to quickly grab it out of the kit, and that worked really nicely. One of the things that I like about this is this sort of like mode thing where, so I can have this zipped up like this, and I sort of open it and I can grab my pen or my pencil, whatever, and then I can grab the book that I may need. And so you only have to open it up this far, which is quite nice. And then if you want to use the full kit, you can open it up like that and get full access to this. The main thing that I don't like about these is this elastic. So you can see here, look, this pen doesn't clip on very easily. I mean, these pens go on very nicely. These ones definitely don't. It's a real struggle. It's a real struggle to get those on quickly. This pencil, like, basically just doesn't even go on. So that's one of the big downsides to this. This is actually its third use case that I've used it for. First of all, I started using it as like a travel buddy, keeping all my electronics and my cables. I quickly realized that it was kind of too big for that purpose. I mean, I didn't have enough cables. The iPads I stopped using iPads so much. I ended up using my phone a lot more than my iPad. I don't really use the iPad anymore. So I stopped using that, and then I used it as a pencil case for my for work. I'm a teacher, so I was using it as a pencil case, taking stuff to classroom, making sure that everything is organized, and that was a really good use case for it. I don't actually teach so much anymore. I'm not really in the classroom, so it was kind of sitting around going to waste. So I thought, let's turn this into a journaling kit, and I think it's a very good journaling kit. I think this is good for travel, and like a secondary thing. I'll probably keep my letter writing and the journaling stuff that I don't use like every day within here from day to day, and then if I'm going on a big trip, I'll transfer everything into it like I did for this trip. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to see me packing this, go and check out that video. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.